Hey everyone, Sequre sent me this really nice 200 amp ESC. It's the SQESC 14200 Pro. I've got the BL Heli 32 firmware on it. You can get two other firmware flavors put on these, but this is the firmware that they sent me. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the package. Show you what's all in here. Okay. All right. So I need to. It's all tight here. So I'm going to take here and clip this. All right. I'm going to move this out of the way. All right. So there's quite a bit of wiring right here. So what we have here for wiring size, looks like for the motors you get this 8-gauge wire. Oh no, that's 10-gauge wire, and then this is for the battery. We get 8-gauge wire. Okay. Oh wow, this is solid. It's not too heavy though. It's got the Pro model, so this will do 5 to 14S batteries. So the Pro model has the built-in BEC, and so we can get it in here. You can see that it's configurable with these little dip switches right here. Wow, so you've got this down here. We get this little bag of goodies right here. Set this to the side. Dump all this out. All right, so we get a fan. So the fan would go on here. Then it would plug in. Does it plug in here? No, right here. So the fan's going to plug in right here where it says fan. Okay, so then it comes with a fan. And it has the screws. Looks like some heat shrink. Okay. So let's see here. Now, they also sent me right here this ESC link. Now this is how you would, now they got a couple of different ways to configure these. If to connect them up, they have a Wi-Fi one, but this right here is a, looks like it's a USB to computer connector. So it would connect to one of these leads. I'm not certain which one, but it would connect to one of these leads, and then you would have a USB to your computer, and then you would load up the BL Heli application, and then you would be able to configure. And so what you have here is it comes here with the manual. You would scan in the QR code, and then the manual would, and then I'll just kind of move this out of the way, because that would, what you would do is you would have the manual, and here's the manual. That would come up, and this is the model that we would have right here. And it would tell you about it. So it's a 200 amp. So these are the three firmware. So the version that I have here is the has the BL Heli 32, but you can get the AM 32 and the Escape 32. So that basically right here is the manual, and but this already has the cabling soldered on. But you come down right here and it gives you the programming parameters for the BL Heli 32 right here. So yeah, I don't have anything right yet to the project to use this ESC on, but I am hoping to get something here pretty soon. I think this is probably good for maybe a 700 size heli. So I'm hoping to put something on, be able to put this on something soon. So all right, but yeah, all right, I appreciate you taking a look at this with me. All right, hope y'all have a good one. Thank you.